Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Sunday. I'm going to get straight to it. Last night, the culinary expedition was in Palau, a small, tiny island nation where I prepared okoi, which is a fried fritter with sweet potatoes and shrimp and some spices and some powdery stuff. And fried. Again, yes, fried. I usually don't do fried food. I'm not good at it. It's not how I grew up. My mom didn't fry food. So, it was good. I enjoyed them. I ate them all. Every one of them. The sauce I had with that, I couldn't really think of anything else, but the shrimp caught my brain. I had cocktail sauce. I had some cocktail sauce left over from earlier in the week, so it was yummy. They're really good. Try them. One of the things I did do, instead of using whole little shrimp, I just cut up some bigger shrimp. Yeah. All right. Today being Sunday, it's Sunday dinner with Robin. Here's the twist. We both agreed. We were both having the same thing, in our brains. It's that marriage connection. Breakfast for dinner. French toast, scrambled eggs, link sausage, and potatoes O'Brien via the Casual Chef. All right, let's get to it. All right, 1, 2, 3 nonstick fry pans, and quickly. And the flap top is for the French toast. And we're getting back to the software. Bread for French toast. Got to have bread for French toast. Some eggs, some cream, Mexican vanilla, ground nutmeg, and Saigon cinnamon. Robin loves her, or prefers her, French toast with powdered sugar and butter. Yes. Eggs, the scrambled eggs are just going to be straight scrambled eggs. Eggs, cream, kosher salt, black pepper. We're going with Jimmy Dean link sausage. The potatoes O'Brien, I love the Ore-Ida bagged potatoes O'Brien. It already has peppers and onions, but I like to add more pepper and onions and garlic. Got to have garlic. And of course, salt and pepper. So here's the software for tonight's breakfast for dinner. Do you have a Sunday dinner family tradition that you do now or you used to do in your younger days? Let me know. All right, so on this Sunday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.